Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Windows 11 Home Up to Date and TPM2, 0 enabled in firmware. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account so the recovery key can be backed up automatically. Now open Settings, go to Privacy and Security and find Device Encryption. If device encryption is present, toggle it on. This gives Bitlocker grade protection without upgrading. Make sure you save or note where the recovery key is stored before continuing. After you toggle device encryption on, the system begins encrypting the drive in the background. This can take minutes to hours depending on disk size. Make sure to choose how the recovery key is stored. Let Windows back it up to your Microsoft account for convenience, or export it to a USB and keep it offline. While encryption runs, avoid intensive file operations and don't power off unexpectedly. This approach provides full disk protection, similar to Bitlocker on Pro. If device encryption isn't available and you specifically need Bitlocker features, upgrade to Windows 11 Pro via Settings System Activation. Alternatively, use Vera Crypt for strong, free encryption without upgrading. If encryption fails at any point, first check TPM is enabled, Secure Boot is active, and your firmware/drivers are updated. These are common blockers. If the recovery key is missing, sign into the linked Microsoft account or use the exported USB key to regain access. Don't format until recovery is attempted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.